Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. This is my English grammar quiz for beginners number 3, and in today's quiz we're going to cover the grammar topics an, used to, there will be, and to, and enough. I will read you each question and you will have 5 seconds to choose the correct answer. Number 1. Tabitha is honest woman. A, B, an. The correct answer is B, an. Tabitha is an honest woman. We use the article an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Honest begins with a consonant, but it begins with a vowel sound. Honest, not honest. Number 2. I have a crush on Gaston when I was a little girl. A, used to. B, used to. C, use. D, am used to. The correct answer is B, used to. I used to have a crush on Gaston when I was a little girl. Number 3. Larry is tired to go camping with us tonight. A, to, with one O. B, enough. C, to, with double O. Or D, very. The correct answer is C, too, with double O. Larry is too tired to go camping with us tonight. And this means an excessive amount. Larry is too tired. He is so tired that he cannot go camping. Number 4. She wants to go to university in Toronto next September. A, or B, an. The correct answer is A, She wants to go to a university in Toronto next September. University begins with a vowel, however, it begins with a consonant sound, university. And we use a before words that begin with consonant sounds. Number 5. Jenny have many friends when she was in elementary school. A, don't used to. B, don't used to. C, didn't used to. Or D, didn't used to. The correct answer is C, didn't used to. Jenny didn't used to have many friends when she was in elementary school. We say didn't used to without a D because we're talking in the past tense, and after we use didn't, we do not add a D after the main verb, because didn't is already in the past tense. Number 6. There wasn't for all the guests at the dinner party. A, food enough, or B, enough food. The correct answer is B, enough food. There wasn't enough food for all the guests at the dinner party. We use enough before nouns and not after. Number 7. She put salt in the soup. A, too much. B, too many. Or C, too. The correct answer is A, too much. She put too much salt in the soup. Before nouns, we say too much or too many. And we use much before uncountable nouns like salt. Number 8. There, any lunch provided at the conference tomorrow. A, isn't. B, will be, C, won't be, or D, willn't be? The correct answer is C, won't be. There won't be any lunch provided at the conference tomorrow. Because we have the word tomorrow, we are talking in the future, so we have to use the future tense. And we use any after a negative verb. The contraction of will not be is won't be. Willn't is not a word. It does not exist. Number 9. It isn't to wear shorts outside. A, warm enough, or B, enough warm. The correct answer is A, warm enough. It isn't warm enough to wear shorts outside. Adjectives and adverbs come before enough. And finally, number 10. I made plans for the weekend. A, too much, B, too many, or C, too. The correct answer is B, too many. I made too many plans for the weekend. We use many before countable nouns, like plans. So let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10. If you got less than 7 out of 10, go to the description below this video and watch any of my grammar lessons on each of these topics. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next quiz.